back to my channel. Here we have this Lego City Stuntz. Guys, look at that. And look at this motorcycle. And remember guys, the other Lego classic motorcycle is bigger than this one, but I don't, what is Stuntz mean? Oh wait, in the back it says, it's a pull back. No, wait. It said 3X, and then it said that the arrow is point front. So maybe you push it 3 times, and then let it go, and then it drives, and I think it will never stop. That's like my pull back. But let's see what will happen first. So, and here's the side and the other side. Oh, anyways, don't look at the sides and the other side. There's nothing over there. So, and here's the under. It's orange. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So, now we use tape now. Oh my, this is really hard to find. I just found it in Lego store. Only one bag? Oh, this will be the smallest Lego ever. Look at that. This will be the fastest unboxing ever. Okay, so we check this out. So, that's the instructions, guys. That's the instructions. There. Okay, so it has one pack. And the color seems nice. Here it says that it's green. Here it says that yellow. I have green, yellow, and blue. Okay, anyways. And so here's the instructions. What is the most important to open first? The instructions or plastic? Okay, plastic. I know it. Why I need to see the importance? It's a toy. Is it a toy? Is it a toy? Or Lego is a Lego stand? Lego should be I know how well Lego works. It's already. Oh my, it has one fish and another fish. Look guys, again, look. Guys, it has one fish here, one fish there. What? Two different fishes? I don't know what's wrong. Huh? What did I open it again? Oh, there. This will be the fastest unboxing ever. I think this is 13 pieces. Yeah, it's 13 pieces. I count it. 1, 2, 3. Anyways, don't mind it. Wait, what is on the top? No way, it has a blue hair? Oh my goodness. Look at the hair, guys. Look, it's color blue? My favorite color. And blue? No way. No way. Even a blue shirt? No way. Look at the back. It seems cool. Okay, so don't mind it. Don't mind it. Oh. It didn't work. I just tried it if it pull back. Pull it. It's not working if I pull back. Anyway, so let's open the instructions. So I don't know how. Okay, so there is number 1. Okay, so guys, ready to start, guys? Okay, so let's start for the first one. So first one, you get one of these, and then next one is. I'm gonna hear the kick sound. I said, what did I say again, guys? I hear the kick sound or I will hear the kick sound? I said I will hear the kick sound, right? Check out the slow motion again. Watch the video again in the start. Just joking. No. Wait, what? No, wait, I put it in the other side. I put it like this, not like this. Oh my. That's the motorcycle. Wow. That is really cool. Look at the motorcycle. Try it again. Wait, show how many. Okay, 3 times so. It moves. No way. Okay, again. Huh? How will it work? Anyways, later. Maybe when we touch the guy, it will work. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna beard the guy now. Wait, I'm done? Wait, did I skip down something? Yeah, I skipped this part. Oh my, how can a motorcycle be like this? I need this one. How can it be like that? Oh my, I keep on forgetting about something. First time I forget about something. No way, I put it. Look at the motorcycle. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is. Okay, I think I want to be in that glasses. This is so fast. How do I'm even doing this? I just talk for a second. I'm almost done. Starting now with the guy. But I thought before we start with the guy first, before the thing that you're gonna build. Look at that, guys. Wow. Yes. Okay, so now let's put the helmet. Wait, it will not fit first. So this is how he looks like without a helmet. This is how he looks like with the helmet. Okay, there. Okay, so let's do it. Let's put it in the. Wait, did I forget about something? I'm not looking in the instructions. No way, I didn't even look at it wrong. I did it wrongly. But imagine getting a Lego who has blue hair. My favorite color. That is so impossible. Okay, there. So you got him. You got him. Okay. So, okay. I thought I'm already done. But I just, okay, how do you hold the motorcycle again? Oh, okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, down. Okay, down. What did I say that again? Did I say that 2 times or 3 times? I think 3 times. No, 2 times. I forget about what I'm counting. Yes! Look at him! No, now he's driving the motor. Look at him! It is what it is written there. Look! Okay guys, I think we need to move on the floor so we can see how it really works. No. Okay, so again. actually it is. No! It just fell on the ground. It just jumped out the... Guys, it jumped out the... It jumped out even everywhere. Now where did it go again? I think I can get it. Nope. But we have more to show you guys. Look at this stuff. Okay, this is so impossible. I'm gonna do it again. No way, it just exploded. Okay guys, I just forget about something. This is backpack. Backpack is missing. Backpacks are cool. Oh my, that was very hard to insert. What is that part for? Yeah, how many pieces are those? We're already done. This Lego set is super duper fast. Okay, so let's try it, guys. Oh, we're gonna move there. There. 1 hour later. 1 hour before 1 hour 17. Okay guys, ready for the super action? Okay. It's just normal. It didn't even break. It didn't even break or something. It didn't even break or something. It didn't even break or something. How many times did I say that? Never mind. Okay. Yeah, it's like a motorcycle, but he bumped. He bumped to the grass. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna move back 1 hour later. 1 hour later, that's 1 hour. That's okay, it's 2 seconds later. I have this here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you something else. So first I'm gonna show you is, look at this Superman kissing. Look at that. And like this. When it's normal, it's just like this. And then if it's a kissing, it's like this. And look guys, it has a Lego tag. It is the Lego tag. And it says Lego TM and DCS19 and the Lego group. Want me to open it? Okay, so here we open it. Here, okay, see that? Okay, we're gonna remove this thing. No, don't remove it anymore. I know it can remove, but don't remove it. So I know that is Superman. What if I call it Batman? Anyway, so that is something cool. And I'm gonna show you all my mini figure. Okay, so number 1 is this one. I don't know who is even this. This is a sweaty man. Look, he's so sweaty in walk. I don't know why he's super sweaty or something. Look at him. He's a boy. So the next one is Ant-Man. So here we got Ant-Man. And he is black. I don't know why he's black. Anyway, because that's the only Ant-Man that is available. And next one, we have a brother. 2 brothers. Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you something. This can lift up and down. This can lift up and down. This guy can lift up and down. No way. How can that be impossible? Anyways, look see that. I'm like slowly seeing it. At least I'm seeing that. I'm always seeing it. Okay, guys, look. It's back to normal. Okay, number 4 is a 2 ninjas. And they are both the same. They are both the same characters. But this is when he fights at his battle. This is when he fights to bad guys. This one is to fight with enemies. This one is fight to bad guys. Anyways, don't mind that. So the arms is golden in yellow and blue. Anyways, don't mind that. Okay, so we also have one Mickey Mouse. Both of them. Hi Mickey Mouse. Hi Donald Duck. Old MacDonald had a farm. Look guys. He is from Old MacDonald had a farm. He is from Old MacDonald farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. Okay. The last 2 we have. So here we got he is caught with this one. Remember guys, the police swinging dog? These are the characters. This one is so funny. Look at his arms. Look at his arms. And look at his face. He's like, wait. I'm a mannequin. Mannequin. I don't know how to say that. And the 2 last we have this girl police and this boy police. And guys, I don't know why a police wear this. Maybe he's about to sleep. Maybe he's wearing this. Maybe it is a police suit. Maybe this is the real one that. But there is no god that is like that. This is the original god. Okay, and so this is the difference. Guys, this is more expensive than this one, right? Okay, so bye guys, and subscribe and like. Bye. That's not a submarine.